Yes, my name is John Murphy. I'm an associate professor of biology at Southwest Baptist University, and I'm also going to be the professor in the agriculture program. And so our agriculture program is designed around 6 classes. And the goal as we designed our 6 classes was to make our students employable as soon as they were to take a class.
Being out here is probably just like all the hands-on experience and like all the knowledge that you're learning so quickly. In the classroom, you can hear about this and be lectured and learn all about it from a textbook, but when you get out here on the farm, you're actually performing the techniques and the procedures and the different just tests and stuff, so it's really cool to be able to use that and learn about it and just use it for your future.
It's a great thing with agriculture is we can tie into so many different areas, and so there's a large demand for the idea of agriculture production. We have lots of local companies and statewide companies that are interested in already employing our students and having internships. We also have a high demand for education when we look at the vocational agriculture within the state of Missouri, and even our English majors. So I've already started to visit with the chair of the English department, and we have some internships set up with local agriculture publications where they can go in and they can write the story of agriculture.
But this hands-on experience it's incredible. You just get a lot of problem-solving skills, a lot of stress management skills, time management skills. It takes a lot of commitment.
So I think it's a good way to put our just good stewardship of our resources and our minds that God has given us and be able to really work hard and bring glory not only to ourselves and SBU, but really bring glory to the Lord.
So I'm really excited about the agriculture program. It is my passion as I were to look at it. It's what I live every day. And I mean, it's what my family does every day as we go through. But I just enjoy being out in agriculture with students. And so we have students that grew up in agriculture, and then we have students that maybe have never been around it, but they want to know more about it. And we get to help shape their story. And on top of shaping their story, it's a whole other area that SBU then we can take our Christ-like character and we can move into those areas, right? So we're going to be training up agronomists, agriculturalists, animal scientists, and they're going to be Christian-based, an area that we just don't see much in when we look at agriculture in terms of the training. And so I'm just excited about it all, but I'm just excited about being able to make that impact and the impact that our students are going to make as they graduate and move on.